You guys, my boss has started a new business just yesterday. She started a new business, Best Home, and they both kindly asked me to be part of their new business, and they explained to me everything, that they're going to be baking cakes, sweets, and everything like that. And they kindly asked me to be part of their journey, which I gladly accepted, even though it's gonna be so challenging to me because of hard work, sleeping too late and waking up very early in the morning. But I'm glad that I'm gonna be part of their business, because first of all, I'm going to learn new skills. First of all, I'm going to learn how to start my own business, and secondly, how to learn it all. And I'm going to learn how to bake. I already started learning some, and I know some right now as I'm talking right now. Just from yesterday, I know how to bake some. So I think by 2 weeks I'll be a champion in this thing. So guys, pray for me. Yeah, I need your prayers. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you are new here, please, I'm a housemaid here in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. I have been here for almost 2.5 years. I'm working as a housemaid and just for cleaning. But if someone kindly asks me to do some other work, I do gladly accept when they are good. So that's what I'm gonna try to do to my new bosses who are bakers. Okay, so guys, pray for me, thumbs up for me. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and also please subscribe. Guys, look at all the utensils I'm going to wash. Look, plus cleaning the house, plus everything else I have to still do it. You know, I don't have to put the other things aside. I have also to do other chores at home. But I'm glad that they told me that they're going to give me some extra money, and I'm planning to buy a laptop from that man. I don't know how much they're going to give me, but I'm planning to buy a laptop from that man. Let's watch this together. Let's work together. I'm going to be taking you through this journey. Okay? Good morning, everyone.